In this video, I'm going to teach you how to buy data on Lycamobile. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The best way to top up your balance or purchase different data plans is done through the latest version of the Lycamobile app for your specific region. So for example, if you are inside of the United States, make sure you download the Lycamobile USA app from the Play Store or the App Store. By using the Lycamobile app regardless of your region, you will have the ability to top up your phone number and add balance instantly through the app. All that you have to do after you download the latest version of the app is sign in using your active Lycamobile phone number, and inside of there you will find the Top Up Now option at the top of the screen at the right side of your credit balance. So as you can see, you can manage your currently active data plan and see the amount of data remaining, and after you tap Top Up Now, you will be redirected to the Quick Top Up page. In there you can select an amount if you wish to top up, and secondly you can add a plan. So if all you want to do is buy data on Lycamobile, choose from one of their plans in there. You will have plenty of options when it comes to managing data and acquiring new data plans as necessary. Choose the amount, the appropriate plan, and you have plenty of options to pick from. Once you find one that satisfies you, proceed, and you will be able to choose between the payment methods available on Lycamobile. Everything can be done through the app, and it's very convenient. After you buy the data plan, it is going to get activated instantly, so there is nothing else that you need to do. Just make sure that you input a valid payment method and that your phone number is active and verified, and you will be able to receive your data instantly. You can now use mobile data or cellular data as necessary, as long as your SIM card is inserted and active. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy data on Lycamobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.